This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Feuerbeck. Spacious ground floor 2-bedroom split floor plan condo in popular gated community near downtown Sarasota, within short distance from Ed Smith Baseball Stadium. The entire community just got new tile roofs, new air conditioner installed in 2020. New carpets, light fixtures with ceiling fans and wall paint in 2021. No CDD fees and low maintenance fees make it attractive to part-time or full-time residents. Minutes to beaches, shopping mall, or I-75 freeway. Villagio has a heated resort-style pool, fitness room, tennis/pickleball courts and an excellent on-site management. Covered carport number 51 comes with the unit. A signed FIRPTA affidavit to accompany any offers. For more information, review the details below.